Well, we are waking up to a beautiful morning. This is now day 3. I spent my second night at this camp. This was just going to be an overnight here, but it's just working out so good, and it's been so nice here. I'm now on my did my second night, third day. I think I'm going to stay another night. There is rain in the forecast, although the sun is out and shining, which is a very nice sight. I thought I was going to wake up to rainy skies this morning, but it looks like it's going to hold off. So I'm probably going to stick it out here another night or possibly 2. I did get some news that there's some recent state forest closures in the state of Oregon. All national forests are still open for dispersed camping. So I'm just going to do some research and try to plan my route accordingly. I did want to do 1 or 2 more camps in Oregon on the way into Washington State. So we'll see how that goes, and we'll see how today goes. Hopefully this rain will hold off and we'll keep having this sunshine. This is awesome. What's going on out here this morning? A little overcast. Looks like we got a little bit of drizzle. It was rain in the forecast, but it never really came. It's just kind of been teasing. Just kind of gray and overcast. I've now been here for 3 days, 3 nights, 4 days and 3 nights. But I think I'm going to go ahead and move on from this spot. I'm going to get some more miles behind me. This has been a nice little peaceful spot to camp for a few days. I was able to do a little bit of exploring around here, check out the creek and the viewpoint. Very nice. Going to slowly get things packed up here and make my way to the highway. Probably got about 3 hours of driving next National Forest camp. This worked out really good. I was kind of questioning whether or not camping was open. There's been word of dispersed camping closing down in Oregon, and so far so good. A ranger did come by here and gave a friendly wave and a smile, so that was a good feeling for sure. Feels like things are coming back to normal. All right, let's do this. Get this van loaded up. All right, I think we're all set here. Gave the van a good walk around, checked my tire pressure, fluids. We're ready to go. A little rainy day driving today. It's kind of a light drizzle, not bad at all. Gonna make our way to the highway. I came in here a very long, unnecessary back roads way. There's actually a nice gravel road coming in here, and I for some reason took these narrow logging roads that were pretty rough. So I'm gonna go out the easy way this time. Save me a lot of time. Okay, as of today, May 12th, 2020, the research I did this morning online on the official state websites, Oregon has closed dispersed camping in most of their state forests. So I did my research, and my next couple camps are going to be in national forests just to play it safe. Dispersed camping is still allowed in national forests. Apparently they closed a lot of state forest and BLM in Oregon. All right, looks like we found the highway here. Let's get rolling. We are using Highway 97 North. Heading towards Bend, Oregon. Away we go. Rolling through this little town here. Actually didn't even catch the name of it. Let's see if we can find a sign here. Chemult? Not really sure how to say that. We're at about 4,700 feet elevation. Looks like They're asking $2.89 for gas in this little town. You see $2.49 up the road. $2.39 here at the Chevron. That Pilot was so expensive. Oh, taco truck there. Well, that's a neat little town. Got the burger stop there. That's about it. Just a little pass-through town. Looking back into the Winema National Forest as we continue on into the heavily forested state of Oregon. Okay, this turn came up real quick with no real indicator. Well, this is fun. Look at this nice red soil here. Oh, wow. The clouds there off in the distance, there's a snow-capped mountain. That's pretty. No cell signal out here though. I kind of needed that. I'm going to continue on and see if I get back in range. I do need to be able to communicate. I got this job on the line here and it's kind of coming down to the wire. There may be some last minute changes, so I really need to have this last camp be in cell range. So we'll see. I might have to go back down the road a little bit. Man, it's pretty out here. It looks like I'm climbing up, so I'm hoping if I get up high enough, I'll regain cell signal. We climbed up quite a ways. We're up at about 4,300 feet. I can't see it. There's a beautiful mountain peak just across the way from us. Yeah, we're pretty much up on a mountaintop here. Did not realize it was climbing up this high. Well, looks like we're coming upon some hard-packed gravel here, and I can see the lake off in the distance. Looks like a pretty fabulous spot here. Let's see. I'll check this out here. I might do a little exploring on foot. I'm going to snag the first little pull-off I see. A little clearing here. Oh, there's a picnic bench. Nice. Oh, and a little fire ring. Look at that. Get up by that. Yeah, let's check this out here. Well, that was worth the trek in here. That was quite an adventure. I was able to get fairly level here with the van. And this is a cool little spot here. Actually a big spot. Nice little grassy area, picnic bench, fire ring over here. Got some firewood left behind. Actually got some blue skies showing through there. And it looks like the lake is just right over the hill here. It is chilly though. The wind is really picked up here and it is quite a bit cooler up at this elevation. I'm going to check the temps, but I believe it's in the 40s. Well, I'm going to get out of this wind, try to get settled in here and see if I can take a hike down to the lake. Well, as soon as I got the van unloaded, all my water jugs out, my table set up, the trail bike unloaded, it just started pouring. Well, we got a little break in the clouds here. Actually got some blue skies. Very nice. This has been an awesome spot, even though it was raining all night and windy. It's nice that it's cleared up now. They must have had a pretty good fire come through. It's interesting to sit here and look at all these bare burnt trees and to think how much different it would look if they weren't burnt. You wouldn't be able to see that snow-capped mountain range behind the trees there. Same here, that would be all solid trees. You wouldn't see that mountain range. It'd look a lot different for sure. I wonder when that happened. There's a lot of new growth coming in here, these little saplings coming up. Man, it's pretty here. I'm loving this spot. Wish it was a little warmer, but this'll work.